Hello everyone, it's Maggie from Armature. Today we're going to talk about the supplier quality management capabilities within the Armature Fabric quality management system. The thing that makes our system different from almost every other system out there is the fact that you can engage with your suppliers through an interactive portal. What you see here is the manufacturer's dashboard. This shows all outstanding tasks, issues, audits, and more, and allows you to click through to take action. Now I'm going to click into Processes and show you how you can interact with your supplier through a process that's been predetermined. I've created a request for corrective action, so we're just going to search for that here. And I've started this against one of our suppliers, a made-up supplier called Super Bad Suppliers. Okay, this is the request for corrective action, and within this process that's outlined here, the second step has a request form that I built in the system. So this is the request form, and I'm going to fill it out as the manufacturer looking for information from our supplier. Okay, we'll say this is a wire problem. The originator is me, Maggie. Today's the day. We are in, let's see, the small pack division. This is a supplier we're having a problem with, and we need to get it resolved in a week, so by July 4th. Then we type in a description of the problem. Major issue. And we're going to save this and kick it over to the supplier to complete. What happens now is the supplier will get an automated email notification letting them know that they have a CAPA to resolve. Now let's switch users so you can see what things look like from the supplier side. So here is the Supplier Portal. In the real world, the supplier would click through on the email notification to load up the corrective action form, but we can find it here as well. Okay, this is the same exact form that I was just filling out as a manufacturer, and now I'm in it as the supplier. I can see that Maggie has filed a wire problem on today's date. They're from a small pack. We're a supplier. It's a major issue, and I need to provide some information here. So let's pretend I'm Nathan Lynch. It's a $400 unit, and you are correct. Major problem. And then we can go through and complete the form. So the goal today is just to show you one of the many interactive capabilities in Armature Fabric and how it helps manufacturers and suppliers collaborate more effectively. Once we've done that, we'll save this. The manufacturer will now get a notification that the supplier has completed the form, and there can be more interaction back and forth through the system. I should mention that every process and data collection form is easy to configure in our system, so you can set things up however you want with no coding or customization required. Thanks for watching.